Hi there, and welcome to today's Brain Teasers session. I hope you're keeping safe and well. There is a quote by Benjamin Franklin. It says, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn." I personally believe Brain Teasers does just that. It gets us all involved and we learn by doing. We have 10 seconds on the timer today to select an answer of our choice. I have tried to pick a range of questions so everyone, regardless of age, could learn a thing or two. Okay, let the fun begin. Great Britain consists of how many countries? 3, 4, or 5? And the answer is 3. Great Britain is used to refer to England, Scotland, and Wales, whereas United Kingdom consists of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Looking at the flag of Great Britain and that of United Kingdom, you can see the difference being the St. Patrick Cross, which is the flag of Northern Ireland. A rhino is classified as a herbivore, any animal that eats only plants; a carnivore, any animal that sustains itself solely on meat; or an omnivore, any animal that can eat both plants and animals. It's an herbivore. Now, this doesn't mean a rhino will turn the other way when in contact with humans. Remember, they do have 2 sharp horns and they have a reputation of being a bit aggressive, and they will charge readily at any perceived threat. Also, rhino horns are actually made of keratin, the same material as your hair and my hair. Interesting, huh? The animal that has the most powerful bite is shark, a crocodile, or a lion. It's a saltwater crocodile. Now, a crocodile grows new teeth up to 50 times. It can grow up to 3,000 teeth in a lifetime. The fastest animal on land is a tiger, a cheetah, or a lion. It's a cheetah. Now, it's able to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, and unlike most big cats, they actually never roar. They sound more like your friendly house cat, and they also hunt at daytime, not at night, and have a natural camouflage. Water covers 71% of the earth, but only X% is drinkable. 1%, 10%, or 23%. It's 1%. Although water covers a large portion of the earth, most are saline and ocean-based. Fresh water makes up a very small fraction of all water on the planet. It's about 2.5% that it's considered fresh water. Now, of that 2.5%, only 1% is easily accessible, and the remaining 1.5% are trapped in snowfields. So let's watch out how we use water. Freshwater fish drink water, absorb water, or filter out water. And the answer is absorb water. Now, I'm sure we have once told someone, hey, you drink like a fish. And yes, we're theoretically right, because we and the fishes need water to survive. Otherwise, the chemical reaction that take place constantly in our bodies would have no solvent and could lead to death. That being said, freshwater fish don't drink. They absorb the water they need through their skin. However, fish that live in the salty sea drink water through their mouths. They do this so they can filter out some of the salt. The largest pancake ever made needed 8 men to flip it, a crane to flip it, or a primary school class of 12 pupils to flip it. And the answer is a crane. Yes, according to the Guinness Book of Record, it was made in Rochdale, Greater Manchester, United Kingdom, in the year 1994 by the Cooperative Union Limited. Interesting. Which water is heaviest? Cold water, hot water, or warm water? The answer is hot water. Each tiny particle of water gets a little heavier as it warms up. As a family, we decided to explore this, not a scientist, just trying to have fun. And we got 100 milliliter of cold water, hot water, warm water, weighed it, and the result was astonishing. Like the saying goes, involve me and I learn. I would encourage you to, get everyone involved in the family, have a go. It was fun. Which animal needs to live near water to survive? A frog, a tortoise, or a toad? The answer? A frog. Yes, frog needs to live near water to survive. Now let me highlight a few differences between a frog and a toad. The toads have shorter legs in comparison to frogs, because they don't have to jump as much. They crawl. They've got a crawl movement. They also have that very thick skin, not as smooth as that of the frog, which is covered in mucus. Similarly, we've got the turtle and the tortoise. They may look kind of similar at first sight, but their living habitat differ greatly. The turtles prefer water and can live both on land and in water. However, the tortoise, they dwell on land and don't go swimming. Great, I hope you all got involved and had fun as much as we did. Now get your dancing shoes on because we're moving on to the next stage.